Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out a new recipe that I just found, and it is for apricot white chocolate chip cookies. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here are the items that we're going to be using today. So we've got some flour, we've got 2 eggs, some sea salt, our baking soda, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, we've got our sugar, our apricots, our brown sugar, vanilla, baking powder, and then our white chocolate chips. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and preheat my oven at 350. Alright, so I'm going to start by measuring everything out. I will leave all of the information in the notes down below, so if you're interested, be sure to go ahead and check that out. Alright, so one thing that this recipe suggests is that you chop up your apricot pieces and soak them in hot water for about 10 minutes, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do now. Okay, so now that I've got the apricots soaking, I'm going to go ahead and stir up the other items, and then when these are ready we can just mix those in and then start baking. Got my 2 sticks of butter. I'm going to go ahead and mix in a half cup of white sugar, a cup and a half of brown sugar, 2 eggs, some vanilla, some sea salt, the baking soda, and the baking powder. And then we're going to mix it all together with the mixer. So now that we got that all mixed, I'm going to go ahead and mix in our flour at this point. Okay, so I've got all of my cookie dough mixed together. I did go ahead and move it to a larger bowl just so that I could stir it up a little easier. It was a little too tight in the bowl that I was using. I drained the water off the apricots, and this is what they look like. So I'm going to go ahead and mix those in as well as with the white chocolate chips, and then we'll be ready to go ahead and put them on the baking sheet. Alright, so there you have it, my apricot white chocolate chip cookies. They turned out great. They taste super yummy. You can see they're a little thick, but they cooked all the way to the middle. Alright, so there you have it. This is how the cookies turned out. I am so pleased with these cookies. They taste really yummy. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably rate them a 7. And so I'm really happy with the way this recipe turned out. I would definitely make it again. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.